today the rate cut happened, right? What's your view on how it will impact banking sector in general, and then of course the overall Indian market? Because on one hand there will be of course a consumption boost, I feel, but the banking margins will get squeezed. What's your view?
For once, I agree completely. So while banks may be up today, but when rates get cut, uh, it is very difficult to transmit deposit rates faster than lending rates.
Yeah.
Lending rates in most banks get reset same time.
Yes.
So there is a NIM squeeze. That's not really positive banks, but it is positive most NBFCs for whom bank is a source of money. State benefits, a lot of stuff where loans are a part of
Anything for
equation.
cheaper borrowing basically
Yes,
benefits
that
any
benefits,
sector with cheaper
yes.
borrowing. So then overall you see that as a good thing for the Indian market overall because the consumption will get boosted. What's your view?
So on the economy front, yes, gets boosted small. Okay, what really happens is government would be able to recycle government debt at cheaper prices. Okay, and if you look at the government finances, interest is one of the largest part of total.
Yeah.
Wages and interest, wage का कुछ कर नहीं सकते. Interest, if they can recycle at lower this thing, gap opens up in the government budget, which can be used to back. There was a lot of resistance. So if you are poor, you don't like rate cuts. बिकॉज आप क्या करते हो, आप अपना पैसा बैंक में रखते हो, वहाँ से इंटरेस्ट आता है. तो इंडिया में उस जमाने में खर्चे फिक्स्ड होते थे कि बच्चे की पढ़ाई के लिए इतना, शादी के लिए इतना, ये वो, घर के लिए इतना, ये सारा फिक्स होता था. सो इफ यू हैड अ रेट कट, आई हैव सीन पीपल सेव मोर.
ओके.
क्योंकि योर फ्यूचर एक्सपेंसेस आर देयर. So if you again go and see how the government tried to, and it is very cruel on people who are senior citizens, but they don't have
any other source of income.
Interest is the source of income. So they actually, the senior citizens plans happened then.
Okay.
With 50 bp higher, 25 bp higher rates. But over time, as per capita have increased, the response of the population to rate cuts has changed massively. Now you don't see the same.
Yeah.
Now the whole of India is happy that rate cuts have happened. And market के ऊपर जो impact है ना, वो एक दो चीजें देखनी पड़ती हैं, which is there are a lot of people who invest into the country not for the growth of the country, but the premium that is there between stock and future.
Okay.
And that premium is related to the borrowing cost in the country. तो अगर आप देखोगे कि स्टॉक फ्यूचर के बीच में, सेम स्टॉक एंड फ्यूचर के बीच में वो प्रीमियम घट गया, तो वो जो बंदा बाहर से आ रहा है वो खाने के लिए डी फैक्टो डेट इन्वेस्टर, वी थिंक ही इज एन एफपीआई इक्विटी एफपीआई, डी फैक्टो डेट इन्वेस्टर, वो कम आएगा.
ओके.
तो उसका एक इम्पैक्ट और नेगेटिव हो सकता है. दूसरा, अगर रुपए में फर्क पड़ गया, सी अल्टीमेटली व्हाट इज द लेवल ऑफ द रूपी. आपकी डिप्रिसिएशन is decided by your interest cost versus some other country's interest cost. Right, and the difference in inflation. Now, अगर रुपया खिसक गया किसी वजह से, तो once again the foreign investors don't like it, and they take evasive action. So economy के लिए अच्छा होता है, गवर्नमेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, मार्केट के लिए ओवर टाइम अच्छा होगा. अगर उस दिन भी अच्छा हो तो बहुत अच्छा है. But you have to really look at interest rates and currency for a lot of the short-term moves that happen.
Right. No, I think this is the nuance that you could bring, right? I think because for me, I understand consumption बढ़ जाएगा, मेरा loan कम सस्ता हो जाएगा. I think that's the immediate implication that I have. But this is
मेरा भी loan है, वो भी सस्ता हो जाएगा.
Yeah, so I think that is super insightful.